In this video, you will learn how to relax your eyes very easily, using the shift between central vision and peripheral vision. So you will need to prepare a paper, and here you have a dot, and then around this dot you are painting several objects. It could be random objects, not necessarily circles, and they have different types of lines, so you can use different types of um, different colors, so the main idea is when you're looking at this paper, your gaze is always focused on the dot inside, on this point, and you never change the gaze, but your attention is going to the bigger circle, then bigger circle, then bigger circle, and the biggest. And the final switch can be to the whole room. This is the final. And then to the opposite direction. So your attention is going to the this circle, then smaller circle, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. So your physical gaze is always at one point, but your attention is going slowly wider and wider and wider to the whole room. And then to the opposite direction. From the whole room, it's going to the smaller, 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 smaller part. Finally, your attention and your gaze, they are in one point. They're connected in one point. So you can practice this transition between central and peripheral vision. What is important to know? When you are focusing on the peripheral vision, the peripheral vision is activated when your attention is going from one point slowly to the room. So when you are focused on the other objects rather than the point, when your peripheral vision is working, just make sure that the central picture is getting blurry. You cannot see all these objects clearly, but if you're focused on them, the central point is getting more and more blurry. And when it happens, make sure that you have a pleasant feeling, because at that moment your ciliary muscle that surrounds the lens is getting relaxed. And after practicing this exercise for a while, you can have a look at the eye chart, and you could notice that your vision has become a little bit sharper. Sometimes it could lead to a ability to see even smaller letter in the eye chart. So this shift is very healthy for the vision. That's how you can balance your peripheral vision and central vision. Have a try, and share your results. If you would like to learn more, and be sure that we will do this practice and more at my workshops and retreats. So if you would like to learn more, sign up for our events, and we will see you very soon.